So this is an interesting one to get you into motorcycling. It is the G310, but a little baby GS, a really small GS. So this one is 6,000, single cylinder, 4-stroke, double overhead cam, and pretty well equipped for a small GS. So LCD screen, basic controls, but that's what you'd expect from a GS. Nice red frame. Got back like not Brembo's, but a cheaper Brembo's. Really lightweight. Nice swing arm. Gold forks. You can have a top box and LED all around, so very modern. And anti-lock brakes, and yeah, it looks pretty good. The controls feel good. For a budget bike, feels good. And it looks nice.